In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter trades by tracked wallets on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features such as the wallet tracker, Twitter tracker. They have an amazing P&L tracker, a reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can also trade perpetuals. They have a turbo mode which makes for faster fills. You can create your own presets with custom slippage, priority, and bribe fees, etc. And all this is completely for free. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. So to actually filter trades by tracked wallets on Axiom, this has been a new update. You want to go to any of the coins. So let me just open up a random coin over here. And you want to pull this part up so we can see better. And then you want to go to trades over here, which is going to be the first tab. And then you can just filter by tracked over here on the right. So click on tracked. And here, in case there's any transactions found, you'll be able to see it. Now for me, there's no transactions found because I am currently not following any or tracking any wallets. But if you are, you'll be able to see them over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.